It's official, y'all. Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha. Alililili. So Babes Wodumo is no longer in the market, y'all. She's just one step closer to be fully becoming Miss Maphumulo. So I take it that they played the lobola, they didn't sign. So her husband to be sent a delegation to the Smelanis, which are the Babes Wedumo's family, so to pay her lobola. And then Mampintsha proposed during Kagazi FM drive time show. He said, I want to make the happiest man alive. I want to be part of your mess. We have been dating for quite some time. I would like to make it official. So they also have a new reality show coming soon next year. So I hope this one also, it doesn't feel like the one that was supposed to be on Moja Love. So this one, I think they signed a deal with Showmax, and then I think they're going to pay them like 1 million or 3 million if I'm not mistaken. So I'll just say allegedly. So Babes Wodumo posted, my husband to be and still my forever at Mampintsha Shimora _Shimora. Oh guys, fighters are lovers, I'm not going to say my thoughts about this, but what are your thoughts about Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha?